Namaste everyone, and welcome to day 5 of our meditation challenge. In today's challenge, we are going to focus on starting the process of dhyan. Using some objects which we'll create in our minds, we'll really start to get deeper into the process of meditation. So just to recap what we've done so far, we went through body awareness to understand our bodies better. We went through breath awareness to learn how to keep pace with our breathing and slow it down. Then we went through the process of withdrawing our senses inwards, and then we went through the process of observing our thoughts. And now finally we're going to start getting deeper and deeper into meditation, choosing points of focus either within the body or creating visualizations in the mind. So let's start with today's session. Come onto your mat now, sitting in a comfortable sitting position. You can sit cross-legged, anything that works for you. Remember, if this is uncomfortable, you can also sit on a chair, or you can place your back against the wall and sit in a comfortable posture. Once you've sat here, roll your shoulders up and back. Bring your hands into Gyan Mudra and place them at your knees. And slowly now, when you feel ready, start to close your eyes. And just take a moment to completely start looking inwards. As your attention shifts from the outer world into the inner world, guide yourself inwards and start to connect with the happenings of your inner world. Take your time as you do this, analyzing the movements that are happening in your body. Taking a good look at your breath. And really paying attention to whether you can just observe the thoughts or not. We're employing all the steps that will help us to make our journey inwards. And now, just focus on my voice. You're going to continue to keep your eyes closed and simply focus on what I'm saying. You're now going to direct your attention towards your mind. Wherever you think your mind is. Some of us think that our mind is only the head. Some of us think the mind is everywhere, throughout the body. Some of us think the mind is in a particular organ. But whatever your experiential reality of your mind, take the attention there. And let's focus on this thing that we call the mind. Not trying to judge it, not trying to label it, but just observing its presence. Is it a steady mind? Is it a restless mind? Is it a calm mind? Is it an energetic mind? Just understanding what your mind is about in this moment. And how you can make friends with your mind. Knowing that it's separate from your internal identity. It is a vessel that collects your thoughts, allows the thoughts to pass, experiences emotions, changes in your body, and yet it is separate from you. Feel the presence of this mind, and for the next segment of our meditation, we will focus on our own individual experiences of the mind in complete silence. And even if you think the silence is too long, try and keep bringing your attention back onto your mind. What is it? Where is it? And how can I understand it better? Continue in silence with the focus and meditation on the mind. You don't need to be distracted by anything. You don't need to look at me. You don't need to hear the external sounds. You just need to focus on your experience of your mind. 2 more minutes of complete silence and contemplation on the mind. See if you can experience it and take one step back to understand your mind in particular. A few more seconds. You're doing an excellent job, an excellent attempt so far. Keep the focus and stay rooted in your practice. And now, slowly and gently, start to bring your awareness back into the present moment, into where you are now. Soaking up all the learnings that you had from looking at the nature of your mind, almost making friends with it, encouraging it to reveal itself to you. And with that understanding of a glimpse of your mind, let's take our attention now towards the end of this session. Gently bring your hands into a namaste at the chest, sitting up tall, chest open. We will chant one Om along with 3 Shantis. Let's inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And then gently rubbing your palms together, creating some heat or friction. Placing the palms on your eyelids for some warmth. Gently releasing in front of your chest. Opening your eyes to look at the palms. And then slowly and gently coming back. Alright, so that was our meditation practice for today. I hope that you've been able to observe and better understand your mind a little bit. The mind is quite a complex thing to understand, and honestly I believe that each one of us experiences the mind, the consciousness a little differently. Since each of our bodies are made different, the mind is experienced differently by the perception power of our bodies. So even if you are not able to completely understand it today, you've made a start and you'll only get better at the practice over time. Alright, so keep it going, and we will see you for day 6 as we start to focus on different parts of our bodies. Thank you for being with us today. I hope you enjoyed the session, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Thank you and namaste.